Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in Settings because it gives full control. Open it now and head to Apps or Applications. Once there, you see the full list. Use Search or Sort by size or date to find the app faster. Tap the app entry to open its detail page. This page shows storage, permissions, and the uninstall option. Make sure you're selecting the app you intend to remove. Double-check the name and icon, because the uninstall will affect app data and connected accounts. Now review why you're removing it. Check storage and permissions to see what will be removed, and look for linked accounts that may need signing out. If the uninstall button is grayed out, use Force Stop and then Clear Cache. That often frees system locks. Once ready, tap Uninstall and read the confirmation. This prevents accidental loss. If you want to keep user data, back it up or export settings first, otherwise proceed and allow the device to remove files and entries. Finish by rebooting your device to clear any lingering processes. That ensures the app is fully gone. If uninstall failed, try reinstalling from the store and uninstalling again. This can repair corrupted package states. If the app still resists removal, check Device Admin or Special App Access in Settings and revoke any elevated permissions, then try again. One key troubleshooting tip: if uninstall errors persist, boot into safe mode and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.